Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot flow in Office 24 by 7 and how it can help businesses respond instantly, reduce manual effort, and maintain consistent engagement with customers. WhatsApp chatbots play an important role in automating customer interactions. They help organizations respond to routine queries 24 by 7, assist leads in real time, and ensure faster resolution without needing constant agent intervention. Whether it's booking appointments, checking order status, or collecting feedback, WhatsApp bots make customer communication faster, more efficient, and more personalized. Inside the Office 24 by 7 panel, you can set up automation flows to configure WhatsApp bots for your WhatsApp business account WABA phone number. Once configured, you can also embed these bots on your website or other marketing channels. When customers or leads send a message, the bot responds automatically with predefined messages according to the flow you've created. Let's see how I've configured a sample WhatsApp bot flow for the healthcare industry. To start, you'll need to create message templates for all predefined responses that the bot will send to customers. For that, go to Add-ons, select WhatsApp, and activate your WhatsApp business account number. Then, under the Templates tab, you can create templates for each type of response you want to send, like welcome messages, appointment confirmations, or support responses. We've already covered WhatsApp template creation in detail in a previous video. You can click the card above or find the link in the description if you haven't watched it yet. Once your templates are approved by Meta, you can use them to build the WhatsApp bot flow in automation. Now, let's go to the Automation panel and open the Healthcare WhatsApp Bot Configuration Flow. Click on the vertical ellipsis beside it and select Configure Flow. As you already know, every automation flow starts with a trigger, followed by conditions and actions. Here, I've added a From Object node as the trigger. Inside the configuration, I selected Add-on as the object type since WhatsApp falls under add-ons. Under Type of Add-ons, I selected WhatsApp, and under WhatsApp type, I chose Inbound, then selected the business WhatsApp number, where incoming messages are received. This means that whenever a WhatsApp message is received on this number, this trigger node detects it and initiates the flow automatically. Once a message is received, we need to send a predefined welcome message to greet the customer or lead. For that, I connected a message file node to the trigger node. In this node, I selected the welcome message template that I had already created and approved earlier in the WhatsApp add-on section. While creating this welcome template, I had included buttons such as book an appointment, doctor availability, and contact support. To bring those options into the bot flow and assign responses to each, I added a menu node. In the menu node configuration, I chose the menu type as WhatsApp. Once I selected the Welcome Hospital template, the menu node automatically loaded all the buttons associated with that template: book an appointment, doctor availability, and contact support. Next, I connected these buttons to their respective predefined responses. The doctor availability and book an appointment buttons are routed to one message file node, while the contact support button is connected to another. For doctor availability and book an appointment, the message file sends a list of available doctors, while the contact support message file sends a thank you note that says, "Thank you for reaching us." Our agent will be connected shortly. After showing the list of doctors, I needed to allow users to choose one. So I connected another menu node to the first message file and configured it with the template that displays doctor names as buttons. Based on the doctor selected, the next step is to ask the user to choose an appointment slot. For this, I added another message file node containing a message that asks for slot selection. Then, I added another menu node configured with a template that displays the available slots. For example, 10 a.m., 11:30 a.m., and 3 p.m. Once the user selects a time slot, the bot sends a confirmation message such as, "Thank you for connecting with Dr. Ramesh Kumar. Your appointment is booked for 11:30 a.m." This response is handled through another message file node with the appropriate message template. Now, to store this information in your database, I use the Field Mapping node. This node maps the data fields from the WhatsApp interaction to fields in the patient profile object. For instance, the From Number field in WhatsApp is mapped to the phone field in patient profile. The campaign name in WhatsApp is mapped to the full name field in patient profile. The initiated by field in WhatsApp is mapped to the created by field in patient profile. This allows all patient details to be recorded automatically when the chatbot flow completes. After mapping the fields, I created the actual record in the patient profile object within the Hospitals module using a record node. I set the action as create and finalize the flow with an end node. So now, whenever someone sends a message to this WhatsApp business number, the entire automation triggers automatically. The customer receives instant responses, selects options, and even books appointments without any manual assistance. All these interactions can also be viewed in the WhatsApp agent chat console in Office 24by7. For example, here's a live sample. The customer sends a message to the business number. This triggers the automation and displays the first welcome message with buttons. The customer selected Book an Appointment, then chose Dr. Ramesh Kumar, and finally selected 11:30 a.m. As you can see, the chatbot immediately responds with a confirmation message that the appointment is booked. In this way, both the customer's replies and the predefined messages sent by the bot can be viewed directly in the chat window. That's how easily you can build powerful, no-code WhatsApp chatbot flows in Office 24by7, using simple drag-and-drop nodes like trigger, message file, menu, field mapping, and record. With this setup, your business can automate conversations, reduce response times, and deliver faster, more engaging customer experiences on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.